So hi everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to do correlation analysis in Excel. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I have data of different companies. We have the Apple, we have the Microsoft, Amazon, and ExxonMobil. Then we also have the data of different of these companies, and we have the amounts here. So let's say, for example, we want to invest in any of these companies, and you find out that you want to pick one company that is doing very well. You can do what we call correlation analysis to get to your best company. So to do this, we will use a data analysis tool, and it's up here. When you go to your data tab, you can go to this section where you see data analysis. If it is not on your Excel, you can just go back to file, then go down to options. Then once you're here, you go to add-ins. Here, you go to this section that says go. Once you click on that, make sure you check this tool, analysis toolbar. Then you click on OK. Then it will immediately appear here. Now, what we'll do, we'll go ahead and click on data analysis. We click on it like this. Then in here, we will hit on, we will go and you can see you have different options for analysis tools, but you want to do correlation. So you click on correlation, then click OK. Then the next thing for the input range, this one, we will select all of our stock here. So we will start from Apple. Then we select the remaining section like that. You can scroll up, and you can see I've selected all that. Then we also have the labels in our first row. You click that. Then the output range, you can either take a new sheet or you can output range. Let me click on this. Then it will obviously pop up. So let's say, for example, we want our data to be somewhere here. So once it pops up, you can pick where you want your data to be, like somewhere here. Then we'll go ahead and click OK. Then immediately this type of data will pop up. So it looks quite confusing, but let me go ahead and explain it to you. Now, looking at the data that we have here, we can see the correlation between apple to apple is 1. And as we understand that correlations normally run from -1 to +1. So if you have a -1 correlation, that means it's an inverse correlation. But when it's just 1, it shows a positive correlation. So as we can see, apple to apple is just 1. That is because it's just the same company. But Microsoft to Apple, we also see we have a significant correlation there because they are both tech companies. And the same to Amazon, they have a quite good correlation. But ExxonMobil is different because it ventures into a different thing, which is an oil company. So that is how you can easily do correlation analysis in Excel. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe and you share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.